You buy gel by the bottle, lashes by the tray, and peel solution by the ounce. And then you spend them one client at a time. That gap is where a beauty room's margin quietly disappears. A $12.50 bottle of gel never feels like 31 cents a client, so it never makes it into the price. The Esthetician, Nail Tech, and Lash Artist Studio Workbook closes that gap. 3 tabs chain together, and that chain is the whole point. The supply cost library turns what you paid for a container into a cost per use. The service build lists what each service actually consumes, like a recipe, and the service menu adds those up, adds what an hour in your room costs, and adds the hourly you intend to earn. Change one supplier price, and every service built on it reprices at once. Start with the library. Enter what a container cost and roughly how many services you get out of it. One honest count beats a year of guessing. It ships with 22 supplies across skin, nails, and lashes. And it shows you something a price list never will. A $78 bottle of peel solution costs less per client than an $18 volume tray. Then build each service from what it really consumes. 87 build lines ship preloaded across 15 example services, including the unglamorous ones a gut feel price always forgets. Gloves, barrier film, linens, disposables. They feel like overhead, but they are consumed per client, and left out of every service, they become a permanent gap in your margin. Now the payoff. The service menu returns a suggested floor price, supplies, plus the room, plus your hourly, and flags anything running under your target. But the column worth reading is real dollars per hour, what each service genuinely pays you once the supplies and the room are paid for. Sort by it once, and your menu reorders itself. Short, high-skill services routinely out-earn the marquee full set that ties up your whole afternoon. Log your appointments, and the workbook already knows what each one consumed. So your studio summary shows what the week genuinely earned you, not the gross that rang through the card reader. Money in, the supplies those appointments burned, the room, then the tax you set aside. It even splits your month by discipline, so you can see whether nails, lashes, or skin is carrying you. 5 PDF guides teach the method behind every tab, with a worked supply library and a worked 15-service menu. There are printable sheets for the room too, a daily tally, client cards, and a supply count sheet, which is the single highest value 10 minutes you can spend on the whole system. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice, with a one-click native Sheets copy, no importing. Everything ships pre-filled with a worked example, and it is a file you keep, not a subscription you feed, no monthly fee, and nobody else holding your client list or your pricing history. Find it at ardentworkshop.com and try the free service cost calculator first.